Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. And tonight is Saturday night ShopAHaulic haul, and I'm just going to show you some of the books that I got at Savers. Now these books are kind of dingy. I didn't get them all at once, but I just want to show you that some of the really old pictures in these books. Okay, so well, in this particular book, let me see. Okay, it says remember when, 1930s. Okay, I don't know if you can see these pictures, and like there's like old cartoons that looks like Little Orphan Annie. I think that's who that is. Let me just double check on that one. Yeah, because as soon as I saw it with like just the eyes like that, I kind of knew. But that's the dog Sandy, so that's what it is. So yeah, and let me just try to go through it as quickly as I can because I have 3 other books that I want to show you. So what I'll do is I'll find the old pictures and then I'll come back. Okay, so here's something called Demon Cake, and I wonder if that has anything to do with like Devil's Food Cake. And then we've got Chocolate Crumb Cake, Upside Down Chocolate Cake, Cocoa Potato Cake. Interesting. And here's some like really old pictures again. Old-fashioned chocolate cake, chocolate town syrup cupcakes, chocolate town. Okay, let me just see if I can find those old ones. Okay, here's like a picture of, I guess, that looks chocolate, even though maybe coming through it might look like pumpkin. But then there's a picture like on the wall of like a 1930 calendar. And I don't know if you can even see these, but anyway, I love old things. Here's Angel Chocolate Parfait. I don't know which one's which. But how's that for presentation, right? Of goodies, right? Imagine seeing that on the table. So, anyway, guys, let me get to the next book. Okay, this is called Dick and Jane, We Play and Pretend. Now, this is obviously a really old school book, okay? But these were the books that were read to, that kids actually really did learn how to read because it's repetitive, okay? Because I remember finding a book like this when my granddaughter, who is now 15, was little, and I read it to her, and within a couple of days she was reading, okay? Because it keeps repeating, like, no, Puff, no, said Dick, go away, Puff. It just repeats. It's the best way to learn how to read. That's how I learned how to read, you know? So anyway, guys, I wanted to just show you that I found this, and then this book is pretty much the same type of book. It's called Three Friends. This says Property of Woburn, Mass. Okay, September 1953. Wow. Okay. So anyway, and same thing, repetitive reading. So how cool is that, right? I love this book. It is so cool. So anyway, and this is the book I've been wanting to save. Now if you buy 4 books, you get 1 free. So altogether, I forget the exact prices on these books, but they really weren't more than like $2.99 each. So I'm going to show you just some of the pictures in this book. And this book almost reminds me of like a journal, because I've just started journaling, and I've noticed that they put like little like inserts in this book. Like here's like, oh my god, this is so funny. I don't know what size I am. All my clothes are made to order. So here's the original Barbie, right? And then, but in the book, it has like little things like this, like almost like how I'm learning now how to journal. And it keeps going. Like there's the story about the people who invented Barbie, although they well, they saw another doll, so I think they got the copyrights to another doll that actually, I think this was the other doll, because they saw another doll called Build Lily, and I'm pretty sure that's Build Lily right there. Let me just see if that is. No, I guess that's Barbie, but the Build Lily does look like that. Alright, so, but anyway, as I'm going through the book, I just can't even believe the pictures that are in this book. I love this. So anyway, guys, maybe if you want me to, I'll go through more of the book another time. But I know that I'm going to be running out of time on my phone. So I hope you enjoyed my Saturday night ShopAHaulic haul. And I guess I'll see you in my next video. I hope you don't mind going through the pages of some of the good books that I got. And I'll just keep turning the pages until the phone goes. And maybe you can remember some of these if you're in a certain age group that had this doll.